Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A7 headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the engine is stopped for safety. Next, gather your essential tools, which typically include a flat screwdriver, a set of Torx bits, and a 10mm socket. You will also need a new D3's HID headlight bulb. It is highly recommended to replace both bulbs at the same time for consistent light output. To access the headlight bulb, begin by safely jacking up your Audi A7 and removing the front wheel. This provides crucial space to work. Next, you will need to remove approximately 5 Torx screws, typically T20 or T25, and one 10mm bolt securing the wheel well liner. Once these fasteners are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the rear of the headlight assembly. Now, with the headlight assembly exposed, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb holder. Then, carefully turn the bulb holder counterclockwise by approximately 30 degrees to unlock it from its mounting seat. Gently pull out the old bulb. When installing the new D3's bulb, handle it only by its base to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the glass. Insert the new bulb, ensuring the notches align perfectly. To complete the replacement, secure the new bulb by turning the holder clockwise by about 30 degrees until it locks firmly into place. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the bulb holder. Next, carefully reinstall the wheel well liner, securing it with all the Torx screws and the 10mm bolt. Mount the front wheel back onto the vehicle and safely lower the car. Finally, turn on your Audi A7's ignition and test the new headlight bulbs to ensure they are functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.